You do smell better.
I do.
For real.
Smell better than these niggas, huh? Nah, I smell like Creed.
It smells good too.
You can't start hitting on her before the show starts.
People swear they got game. Now we're putting them to the test. Two players take turns shooting their shot in the direction of a sexy single in the most inappropriate location. If the line is funny, you get a point. If the line is corny, you get nothing. The player with the lamest game will be blocked.
I think we got on the same bra. Let's lift up your shirt and let's see. Come on, let's see.
She got no sports bra. She got no Laker jersey. Your mouth reminds me of Michael Jackson. Very feminine, looks like it moves well, and I can see it holding all my white kids.
I wish I was cross-eyed so I can see you twice.
Your mama must have raised you in Section 8 housing. Cause you were bad as fuck.
If you were a transformer, you'd be Optimus Prime.
You know what? You so beautiful. I can see us having a family. You raising all my kids. They would probably call you Miss Stroller. But if you wanted some more me time, they could call you Miss Carriage. Hey now, Miss Stroller to Miss Carriage, okay? Miss Carriage, you know? I'm winning this one.
Come on back to the rainbow. You know, it's a good thing I bought my library card, because I'm definitely checking your ass out today. Inglewood Library. Inglewood Library.
Somebody read an Inglewood Library?
You don't know how to read, that's why.
First of all, I want to say I love the makeup, you know. Damn, you know, it's so pretty. Is your face a construction site? Because I want to cover all that foundation.
Why y'all losing? Look, baby. Do you have a map? Look at it.
Damn, she aggressive.
Do you have a map? Because I keep getting lost in your eyes.
All right, look at my eyes.
He copying.
I'm kind of like a ballpark Frank from the supermarket. If you take me home, all you getting is raw dog.
Look, I know we're at a construction site, but I feel like we're in a museum. Because you truly are a work of art.
That's cute.
That's right.
That's cute. Mine, I have cuter ones. Were you ever a coyote?
Good start.
Trying to sneak illegal immigrants into America? Cause damn girl, I want you to put all my kids in your box.
Just with a box?
You gotta get them across the border. You gotta put them in a box and get across the border.
Not even a backpack.
I need a box.
A little box.
What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Thank you both for this. This was so fun. I'm going to have to block this person because I don't fuck raw dog.
Oh man, that's the best feeling.
And your ass is bald, so I gotta, you gotta go.
Man. This for me? Or her? This for me?
That's you lost.
Oh. Yo, you know what's funny?
My baby.
I can feel like you should be wearing this because I can.
You wear this. You bald headed, nigga. You bald headed.
When she had his own, she could see me coming.
Oh no.
Hey!
I hope your ass fall off a building too.